Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. I am back at the salvage yard because I got a notification that we got another link in here today. Today we have for you is a 2002 Cartier. Another one. Man, we got some Cartier rims on this. Oh yeah. You guys are going to love this car right here. Watch. I'm going to get more into it. But I just want to show you the exterior a little bit. You see this car was January of 02. Oh yeah. This car arrived like, I don't know, 10 days ago. I'm assuming it belonged to a veteran. There's some things that I took from this car already. One of them that I took was this bezel. The one on my car. Oh man, I already put it away. Yeah, I already put it in my bag. Well, the one in my car, one of the clips is broken, and this one is in perfect shape. I also took these tail light emblems. I got a special idea for that one I would like to share on my channel. But yeah, it's all here, man. This car is all here. I'm going to show you the inside right now. Ooh, I almost slipped. Darn it. This car is great, guys, because it has a factory cell phone. I've never seen in person a Lincoln like this with the cell phone, and it has a moonroof. This car right here is fully loaded. Fully loaded. Dang it, man, I keep slipping. But yeah, this car is really cool, man. Really cool. These door panels look in good shape. You know what I noticed about these 02s and 01s is that even though this car's a Cartier, they didn't add the Cartier name right here. It's just all blank. Because on my 2000, it has Cartier written on here. On the 01s and 02s, they just seem to delete that. Man, look at these rims, man. That is cool. If I had the money, best believe I'd be taking one with me. And I know some of you guys would be like, well, just put it away, you know, hide it in another car. Yeah, I know what you mean. Something interesting that I found. Helen Harris Glynn. Someone put their name on this car, which is really cool. Let me see, I'm gonna open that hood. See what the hood looks like. See what they got going under here. The headlights look in good condition. Good cleaning. They're not cracked, they're not broken. The grill has a little bit of the chrome fading. Other than that, the engine looks all there. Everything looks here. This car hasn't been tampered with, I don't think so. That's very cool, man. I'm very happy to find this car. Just because, you know, it's fully loaded, it has a cell phone. Factory cell phone, factory moonroof, soft top. I find it really cool that this trim right here is gold. This trunk piece is in great shape too. Oh, how cool is that, guys? Still has all the Cartier rims. Almost forgot my tool. The center console is all cracked. Unfortunately, I just can't seem to find one that's in good shape. I don't know, it just sucks. Cartier seats. Yeah, man, this car is great. A lot of good parts on this car. Still got the Cartier clock. Hasn't been touched. It's not much that I need. I only came for one, well, a couple things, but I'm gonna say that for the couple next videos that I got coming up. This one doesn't have the floor mats. That's okay. That is all right. What's this? Floor mats? Huh. I might take me some floor mats. I need some for my rear floor mats. These ones look good. I think these will be a good match. They look like they belong to that car. The only way I could tell because of the stitching right here on the side is similar to the ones that I pulled out from the last video that you guys saw with the floor mats. Oh, wait a minute, I take that back. What's this? Oh, it's not a Cartier. I thought that was a Cartier floor mat. But these floor mats, these are more of a gray, and the stitching doesn't match compared to the ones I took. So I'm going to take these ones. That'll be a good addition. This car has a lot of good treasures too. A lot of good treasures. Very cool, man. I'm really fascinated how all this is gold. I usually thought they were chrome, but that's cool. Man, it's hot out here. Arizona weather, guys. Drink lots of water if you're from Arizona. Well, I don't want to take too much of your time, guys. I just want to show you this 02 Lincoln TownCar Cartier. And I was able to get some good stuff from it too. You know, saved it. Saved a lot of good stuff. Well, if you guys like these videos, as always, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your love and your support. As always, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. And until the next one, you guys stay blessed. Peace.